Hello. Well, it's tax day in Cook County, and I am Linda Martin, a New Trier Township resident, longtime, and a local real estate agent for decades. And I'm very excited because we have New Trier's motto for the assessor, caring in action. And I am proud to introduce our own New Trier assessor, Jan Churchwell, who is here tonight to give us some help.
Thank you very much, Linda, and I'm always happy to try and get information out for residents that will help them with the assessed values of their property, which relates directly to the size of their tax bill. So ask away.
And we will provide you Jan's information and mine so you can get help from her. I'm asking Jan, well, how's my property value determined?
Property value in the state of Illinois is determined by an assessment process that takes into account the age of your home, its location, the size of your home, and many other factors that are all now computerized in the Cook County Assessor's Office. A value is established for that. You get reassessed in Cook County once every 3 years. Your property will be revalued at that time, and 2025 is a reassessment year for Cook County for the northern tier, so-called, which includes New Trier Township. We will expect to be reassessed at some point, be getting our notices within the next month or so, perhaps. When you get that notice, that's when we go to work for you. We help you lower your assessment if you don't like it. You have nothing to lose by appealing. You can only get a reduction or a no change. You cannot be raised. Your neighbors cannot be affected. All you can get, hopefully, is a better value for your house.
And one thing Jan told us that was very interesting earlier when we were kind of discussing and researching our questions was that your lower level basement is not included in the assessed valuation of square footage, and also your attic. And lots of people have unfinished attics and they don't want to be assessed on them.
Your assessable square footage is improved assessed value livable space. That is the criterion in Cook County at the moment.
Well, what's the process and deadline for filing an appeal?
Well, with over 1,800,000 properties in the county, as you can tell, it takes a while to get through all this. So every jurisdiction has a set window of 30 days, which will come out on a schedule for all townships, industrial property, commercial property, residential property. During those 30 days, you may appeal to the county assessor. That's the first step. The assessor weighs all of the information that is sent in and decides whether your appeal is justified, and if it is justified, was it justified to the full extent that you would like, or is there some lesser adjustment but that is still reasonable to give. When that is done, he does what is called certifying your property. I'm done with it. I am taking my key, I am putting it in your little file drawer, I am locking you away, and that drawer will not be opened again until next year. There is nothing after that you can do that will affect your appeal to the county assessor in Cook County. There is a second step after that. After the assessor is finished, a second body, which is an independent body called Board of Review, which every county has one, so the Cook County Board of Review also has an appeal session, and you can go to the Board of Review with another appeal again when you are opened on their schedule to say, I don't like what the assessor did. I would like you to take a look at my material and see if you think I'm entitled to a reduction. Again, you cannot have a raise. It can only be a no, or we agree with you, here's a change. And one thing, this is for homes already in existence that comparable properties are used, assessed value per square foot. If you have just bought your home, let's say that you paid $500,000 for your home. the assessed value of your home is $600,000. The assessor thinks your house is worth $600,000, but you only paid $500 for it. Illinois is a market value state. Again, and this is your area, Linda. The sale must be an arm's length,
Correct.
standard transaction, no bought from my mother, whatever. But assuming a standard arm's length transaction, preferably involving realtors and attorneys, because again, that keeps the objectivity very clear. You paid $500,000 for your house is not worth more than $500,000 in the state of Illinois at this particular moment. You submit your bill of sale, probably to the Board of Review, because the assessor may not have paid attention to it. And then the Board of Review will lower, with proper documentation, they say with proper documentation, they will lower your assessed value to your sales price or something very close thereto.
If you're going to be appealing, should you get a appraisal, a professional appraisal?
That's only one of the elements, Linda, that might be helpful. It does cost money and it takes time. So you may not be able to get an appraisal done within that 30-day window that you have for your appeal. However, if you think you have a problem of a really, this is very likely a problem of maybe the wrong square footage or something like that, or the wrong house classification, you can appeal to the assessor, go ahead and sign up to prepare for an appraisal, and then you will have that appraisal ready to take to the Board of Review and appeal to them. And they will then have that material to look at as good evidence that you really are entitled to a better reduction than the assessor thought you were entitled to. So an appraisal is more of a long-range thing. Comps and new sales with a bill of sale are the more common. We can do that for you instantly. I can give somebody comps within 5 minutes and have them ready to roll.
So I think it's very important to be contacting Jan Churchwell. Her phone number is 847-446-8200. She likes email. She's an online type of person, and you can email her at jchurchwell, that's CHURCHWELL @newtriertownship.com. They are right at 739 Elm Street in Winnetka, very close to Lincoln and Elm if you make an appointment. If you'd like to contact me, I'm at liveandplaynorthshore.com. Linda Martin, Caldwell Banker. Text, email is fine, 847-275-7253. We hope this helps you. We hope you pay your taxes, but if you want to appeal, you want information, contact her, contact me. We'd like to help you. And she is free.
That's right.
Complimentary as a taxpayer. Free. Keep that in mind.
Thank you, Linda, very much.
Thank you.